Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to get crowns fast in Fall Guys. Well, to do that, open the game and navigate to the settings menu. This is usually located in the main menu or accessible through an icon resembling gears. Within the settings, find and click on the Options tab. This is where you can customize various aspects of your gaming environment. Look for an option related to server settings. Then choose the best server option to ensure a smoother and more stable connection during gameplay. This helps reduce lag and enhances your overall gaming performance. Return to the main menu and click on the play button to start your game. This will take you to the selection screen where you can choose different game modes. Opt for the co-op game mode and select a specific co-option game from the available option. This adds an exciting cooperative element to your gameplay. Once in the game, follow the course until you encounter a flag. Jump on the flag to proceed further. Look for a section where there's a fan blowing air upward. Then navigate your character towards this fan, and this adds an element of challenging to the game as you contend with the upward air current. After the fan selection, locate and reach the checkpoint. Checkpoints are crucial in Fall Guys as they serve as respawn points. Then proceed to an area where three little diamond-shaped marker. This serves as an indicator of progress. Then look for a yellow fence and use it as a platform to jump on it. After successfully navigating the course and overcoming obstacles, allowing your character to fall, completing the chosen course, you've completed the level, and that's how to get crowns fast in Fall Guys. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.